I'm so excited. I can't wait to say those vows. Yeah. I can't wait to marry you.